Ndalukwana umunnem. Onwanya mama joy from Belgium. And one message for all the followers of our sister Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Ache masi release ele. I grant to go this woman bell. Nga udube mmadu. Eche masi grant to all this woman bell. Gini ko ka na-eme na nga. Why haven't you people run around to make sure na wanya aputara n'ime nga? Enwere one video ye m hụrụ today that ebekwere m akwa ahụ. Enwere one video ye m hụrụ today that makes me to do this video. I am gonna play this video for you people to know what I'm talking about. You can see it. I have been watching this video. It's the voice of our sister Ogechi Okeke. You know, yeah? I hope you people have listened to the video. Also, BDA Lotawa. Oge nwam, digi choroki back. Your children need you. Your absence in your home is not good. BDA Lotawa, BDA Lotawa. Your husband wants you back. Your family members want you back. Here, one Lotara, Nigeria, to spend some weeks and go back. On 7 months, going to 8 months. But I grant this woman bell. What is she still doing? The followers of our sister Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Do you people truly love this woman? Eba grant rebel. Ke ihe ka na-eme nanga. Why you put a bed from imenga? BDA Lotawa our sister Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Ogun not did that place now. None of your followers are in this nimenga with you. None of your followers are there. You are there all alone to yourself. Please, please, my darling. Your children need Rigi. Egaga noni menga wuru BDA. All these people name Meregiji write on and ginger on, and Ogechi is fine in where she is. You are not fine where you are. You are not in your home. You are not fine where you are. You got a onogi is Vamakba. When you go back to America, you are gonna look for another job. Don't keep any job for anybody. So I am asking all the whole of the followers of our sister Ogechi Okeke Njaka, Kenyo kaneme ni menga eba grant ale bell. Why didn't you people run around? Why didn't you people run around to make sure ni wanya aputagodu? My concern is gini ka wanya aputagodu ni menga. There is a video again I saw. It's one of your followers see. There is a peace. There is a peace in that you will accept. There is a peace again. Ige bugide baga nime 6 feet. So now, Ogechi Okeke Njaka is not outside. The way you people are outside, going out on your activities, doing whatever you want to do. She is not outside. She is inside, where she cannot be able to do anything. When she want to answer call, every minute, and when time Ogeru to make a call and her minute we stop. She is not getting. She is not free. It's when you enter to this place, this woman, no. Freedom is priceless. Do people know that freedom is priceless? Freedom is priceless, yes. You people are outside, going to work, doing your activities. You are with your wife, you are with your children, you are with your husband. Every one of you are with your family members. This woman are not, she is not with her family members, she is not with her children. Her children are missing her. The husband also OBDA. Why can't you people run around to make sure this woman Nimenga? All the followers, I don't want to call names. I just don't want to call names. Ogechi is good. How many months ago again? 1 year and something. That is not what we want to hear. That is not what we want to hear. What we want to hear is what is she still doing in that place? After they have granted her bail, why didn't you people run around to make sure that you people bring her out of that place she is? That is the most important thing. But coming to come and tell us that yeah, she is well taken care of there, she is okay. She is never okay because she is not in her house. On Imenga, for Christ's sake, loud. Ogechi Nwam, please, Owuna Ipota. You, Garano, if you feel that you can continue with this case, why not you continue? And if you think in yourself that your children need you, your husband need you, your family members need you, whatever you think for yourself is what you are gonna do for yourself. You just do what is right for yourself. When you come out, if you think yes, you are never gonna say I'm sorry. You are not gonna apologize to the people that those people apologize to you and working here take a peace. If you think yes, there is not every peace that you will accept. You feel that you will continue in this thing you are doing now. It's up to you. But my own main concern right now is you are still where you have no say of yourself. You are still where before you will make a call, it will reach your turn. You are still where you are not going to be browsing, talking the way you want. You are still where you are not the boss of yourself. So when you come out, if you think you are going to continue, it's up to you. But the question I have for your followers right now, what is this woman still doing in that place she is? If you people like, okay, it's nothing, why can't you people go and replace Ogechi Okeke Njaka? Ga replace her. If it's nothing, is this, is that, you people can replace her. In here, whatever you want for yourself is what you will do. Nobody is gonna tell an adult what to do. That is exactly how I want to put it. But I wish you all the best, and God is gonna strengthen you in that place you are. In the name of Jesus. Amen. Shalom, Mumu Chineke. Ihe dị mma ka eme ya. Daalụkwa na Dubai. Nwaanyị shiri ihe aka America lọta kemgbe how many months ọ nọ n'ime nga. Daalụ.